East Vancouver.
Surrey or Surrey? Yes.
Yeah, I lived in Surrey.
And he said like I said like I can travel because I was planning to go tomorrow or something. Just testing, or are you ready?
Yep, that's the lady. Got hair behind her shoulders, like that. Like that, and yeah, maybe the one hand on hip and the other hand up like this. Maybe I want to see a triangle. Like that. But yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that's really good. Those red shoes are really standing really nice. Same thing, but the other way. Like that.